Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's June 17th. With the revised school calendar, this is now the officially last day of school. So by this time, you should have checked School Tool. You should have actually checked it multiple times just to make sure you weren't missing anything. I have sent out numerous notes to people that were missing one or more assignments. Um, Honestly, it's up to you whether or not you do them or don't do them. You can certainly look at School Tool. You can see what your grade is. If you're happy with what's there, great. If you're not, then the way to raise that grade would be to do one of the missing assignments that you got a zero on. I've tried to enter zeros, and I believe I have for all my courses for any assignments that were not turned in. So your grade in School Tool should reflect what you've done this semester. There are some adjustments that will be made before report cards go out. Um, your parents are notified by email of what those adjustments will be. Um, and basically, I guess that's about it. Yesterday, really hectic. Had a lot of people turning stuff in at the last minute. Some people, you could definitely tell they rushed and tried to get something in at the very last minute just so they didn't get a zero. Not the best way to do it, folks. Um, in all honesty, I wish I had some more time to spend addressing concerns, not of missing grades and students not doing their work, but to really say thank you for all the students who were right on top of things, who did their work in a timely basis, who got stuff in. I mean, I have some students, I assigned something on Monday, it was done before noon on Monday. I signed something on Wednesday, it was done before the afternoon on Wednesday. I always feel bad for the students who do exactly what's asked of them because a lot of times they don't get the feedback from me necessarily because I'm constantly having to spend my time chasing people who did not do their work in a timely fashion. So, for all those of you that did do your work in a timely fashion, thank you so much. You make teaching here a pleasure. Um, I just wish we could spend some more time together just chatting, talking, exploring what you think about where your future lies, doing some of the exploration activities that we did in various classes. In some classes, we looked at what it took to be an engineer and took some quizzes on that. In other classes, we just looked at a whole bunch of different topics revolving around technology. And if you think back to your first day in sixth grade technology, we talked about how technology is really about using the knowledge that's been accumulated over history and recorded history and using that to modify resources and to make resources in terms of man-made resources to fulfill human needs and wants. And really, our whole world is really designed and built with technology and around technology, so you can't get away from it unless you go live in a cabin somewhere. But at the same time, you'd still be using some sort of technology to survive. That cabin is technology, it's shelter. Okay? So please, thank you so much for everybody who did exactly what they were supposed to do throughout the semester. I really wish we had some more time to just kind of hang out and chill. But at the same time, it is start of summer vacation, so I hope you totally enjoy your summer. I saw many of your smiling faces during the parade yesterday. So if there's anybody that I didn't see or make eye contact with, it's because I was trying to make sure I didn't run into the car in front of me. All right. So, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one. Please, if you do happen to be missing some assignments, get them in now or forever hold your peace. All right. Take care. Have a great day.